Today is Sunday, October 16, 2022. This video is for this Cutler hammer, Eaton Cutler hammer, SVX9000 series AC drive. It's not a demonstration or a review. I'm just trying to show that the one I'm trying to sell powers on. It's nighttime here and I have bad lighting, so I don't know how the video is going to come out. I'm going to swing around here and get a video of the serial numbers, which will probably be upside down as you look at it. That's for the control unit model CVA1. These are the stickers for the actual unit here. And this is the other sticker. I'm just trying to demonstrate that mine works, powers on, but is otherwise untested. I'm doing this because I'll be listing this on online sales sites like eBay, and if people see how it functions, they may be willing to pay a little more for it. Okay, so I'm gonna try to leave the camera here when I power it on. Okay, so right now here it's connected to a 200 plus volt power supply. Power source. I'm not sure if it's anywhere between 200 and 240. Not too sure the exact voltage. Okay, I'm going to leave the camera here while I power it on. And from past experience, when I power it on, it usually powers on to the last screen that it was on. It doesn't revert to a default screen or anything. So I just applied the power. And it says AC is on. Startup wizard, press enter. Well, in this case, it didn't revert to the previous screen. It may have something to do with how long I've had it powered down. So I'm going to press enter and see what happens. Language, English. I want to accept that. I'll just press enter. Application. I guess that's the version of software installed. Press enter again, see what happens. What it says, setup starts, press enter. Minimum frequency, 30 hertz. Not sure what any of this means. I'm just pressing buttons so people get an idea of what's happening here, or an idea of how this thing functions. I'm just pressing the enter button until it goes through all the selections. Repeat setup, yes, no. I'm gonna select no. I selected yes accidentally. Let's go through this all over again. Repeat setup, no. Setup done, press enter. Power on hours. I'm assuming that's 5 minutes, or I'm not sure if that's 5 minutes. I haven't had it on for 5 minutes. So there's nothing I can really do on this. I can just press some buttons and see what happens. First I'll open this up and have a number of add-on cards. One of them, yeah. Has a number of boards. Not too sure what the boards are. Trying to get a picture of them. It's nighttime here and I'm working under bad light. So now I'll press a couple buttons on the control panel, see if it does, see if anything happens. Day on counter. Repeat the same thing. Press the bypass, it says bypass board missing. That's basically all I can show about this. I may do some more video. I may open up the box and so people can see what's on the inside. This is being sold on an online auction as is for parts of repair. Doesn't have the front cover. I may take some pictures, take off this cover and show some more pictures, but I'll probably do that on a different day. Thank you.